India is rapidly transforming into one of the world's fastest-growing aviation and aerospace powers. From fighter jets and helicopters to advanced military systems, the country is pushing hard to become a global manufacturing hub under its ambitious Make in India initiative. And now, one of the world's leading aircraft manufacturers has made a remarkable offer that could further accelerate India's aerospace journey. Brazilian aerospace giant Embraer says it is ready to build its advanced C-390 Millennium military transport aircraft in India and not just assemble it, but potentially establish an entire production ecosystem. Here's why this proposal could be a game-changer for both India and Embraer. The Indian Air Force is currently looking for a new generation of military transport aircraft to replace its aging fleet of over 100 ANF N-32 transports and 17 aviation IL-76 heavy airlifters. The upcoming Medium Transport Aircraft, or MTA program, is expected to require between 60 and 80 aircraft, making it one of India's most significant military aviation procurements in recent years. To secure this massive contract, Embraer has unveiled an ambitious proposal. The Brazilian company has partnered with Indian industrial giant Mahindra and is offering to establish a complete C-390 production line in India if selected by the Indian Air Force. According to company officials, Embraer is prepared to transfer extensive manufacturing know-how and potentially replicate its Brazilian production facility on Indian soil. That means India could gain final assembly capabilities and even manufacture major aircraft structures domestically. This move aligns perfectly with India's goal of increasing indigenous defense production while reducing dependence on foreign imports. But what exactly makes the C-390 Millennium such an attractive aircraft? The answer lies in its combination of speed, payload, versatility, and operational efficiency. Powered by two powerful jet engines, the C-390 can reach speeds of approximately 870 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest military transport aircraft in its class. The aircraft can carry up to 26 tons of payload, allowing it to transport troops, military vehicles, heavy cargo, helicopters, and humanitarian aid supplies. Reliability is another area where Embraer believes the C-390 has a major advantage. The company claims that the aircraft fleet has consistently achieved mission availability rates above 90%, an impressive figure for a military transport platform. High availability means more aircraft are ready to fly when needed and less time is spent undergoing maintenance. However, winning the Indian contract will not be easy. The C-390 faces strong competition from established rivals, including the Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules and the Airbus A400M. Both aircraft already have proven service records, and their manufacturers maintain industrial partnerships within India. As a result, the competition for the Indian Air Force's transport aircraft requirement is expected to be intense. Despite this challenge, Embraer remains confident. Company executives argue that the C-390's superior speed, high payload capacity, lower maintenance requirements, and operational flexibility give it a strong competitive edge. The company has also emphasized that the aircraft is capable of operating in demanding environments, including high-altitude missions in the Himalayan region, an important requirement for the Indian Air Force. If Embraer succeeds in winning the contract, the implications could extend far beyond the Indian Air Force. India could emerge as a major production and export hub for the C-390 Millennium, manufacturing aircraft not only for domestic use, but potentially for customers around the world. Such a development would represent another major step in India's journey toward aerospace self-reliance and global manufacturing leadership. As the medium transport aircraft competition unfolds, the stakes are high. The decision will shape the future transport fleet of the Indian Air Force. But it may also determine how quickly India rises as a key player in the global aerospace industry. And with global aviation giants now competing to build their aircraft in India, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The future of aerospace manufacturing is no longer shifting toward India. What do you think? Should India choose the Embraer C-390 Millennium for its next-generation transport fleet, or would another aircraft be a better fit? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more aerospace and defense updates.